The universe as a fractal. Is reality just mathematics? Imagine a universe where every galaxy, star, planet, and living being is a manifestation of a single, infinite fractal. A world where the rules of mathematics are not just tools for understanding reality, but the very foundation of existence. This is the provocative idea that the universe itself might be a fractal, a self-replicating mathematical structure with infinite complexity. If true, this would mean that reality as we know it is governed not by randomness, but by the unyielding logic of mathematics. Fractals are geometric shapes that exhibit self-similarity, meaning their structure repeats at different scales. Zooming into a fractal reveals the same patterns infinitely, regardless of how deep you go. The Mandelbrot set, one of the most famous fractals, demonstrates this beautifully. As you dive into its patterns, intricate shapes emerge, only to reveal even more complexity as you continue. This infinite depth and repetition make fractals a compelling metaphor for the universe. In nature, fractals are everywhere. From the branching patterns of trees, rivers, and lightning bolts to the spirals of galaxies, hurricanes, and seashells, fractals appear to govern the structure of both the macrocosm and the microcosm. Even our own bodies follow fractal patterns, such as the branching of veins and arteries or the neural networks in our brains. This universal presence suggests that fractals are not just abstract mathematical constructs but fundamental building blocks of reality. The concept of the universe as a fractal takes this idea a step further. If fractals are infinite and self-replicating, they could explain how complexity emerges from simplicity. A single mathematical formula, like the one that generates the Mandelbrot set, could theoretically describe the entire universe. By zooming into this cosmic fractal, one might uncover galaxies, solar systems, planets, and even life forms. This raises profound questions. Are we simply part of an infinitely complex fractal? Is our existence encoded in a mathematical formula? The concept of the universe as a fractal takes this idea a step further. If fractals are infinite and self-replicating, they could explain how complexity emerges from simplicity. A single mathematical formula, like the one that generates the Mandelbrot set, could theoretically describe the entire universe. By zooming into this cosmic fractal, one might uncover galaxies, solar systems, planets, and even life forms. This raises profound questions. Are we simply part of an infinitely complex fractal? Is our existence encoded in a mathematical formula? The fractal nature of the universe also aligns with several scientific and philosophical concepts. Cosmic structures. The large-scale structure of the universe resembles a cosmic web, with galaxies connected by filaments of dark matter. This web-like arrangement mirrors fractal patterns, suggesting that the universe's architecture is inherently fractal. Holographic principle. The holographic principle in physics proposes that the entire universe can be described by information encoded on a two-dimensional surface. Fractals, with their infinite complexity and ability to store vast amounts of information, provide a potential framework for understanding this idea. Emergence from simplicity. Fractals demonstrate how simple rules can generate infinite complexity. This parallels the idea that the universe's laws, gravity, electromagnetism, and quantum mechanics, could arise from a single underlying mathematical structure. String theory and higher dimensions. String theory suggests that fundamental particles are one-dimensional strings vibrating at specific frequencies. The vibrations of these strings could create fractal-like patterns, shaping the fabric of space-time and giving rise to the universe. If the universe is a fractal, it challenges our understanding of existence. It implies that we are part of a mathematical construct, raising philosophical questions about free will, consciousness, and the nature of reality. Are we autonomous beings, or are our lives governed by the deterministic logic of mathematics? Could our consciousness itself be a product of fractal complexity? This perspective also aligns with ancient spiritual teachings. Many traditions describe the universe as a reflection of divine order, where patterns repeat across scales, from the cosmic to the microscopic. The concept of as above, so below in Hermeticism reflects this fractal symmetry, suggesting that the same principles govern the stars and the human soul. The idea of a fractal universe extends beyond metaphysics into practical implications. Understanding reality. Viewing the universe as a fractal could revolutionize physics, providing a unified framework for describing everything from subatomic particles to galactic clusters. Simulation hypothesis. If the universe is a fractal, it lends credibility to the simulation hypothesis, the idea that our reality is a computational projection. A fractal formula could serve as the code for generating the simulation. Fractal-based technologies. Insights from fractals could inspire innovations in technology, such as energy-efficient designs, data compression, and artificial intelligence that mimics natural patterns. Despite its allure, the idea of the universe as a fractal is not without challenges. Critics argue that fractals are mathematical abstractions, not physical entities. While fractal-like patterns are evident in nature, it is unclear whether they extend to the universe's deepest levels. Additionally, the infinite nature of fractals conflicts with current cosmological models, which suggests that the universe has finite dimensions. However, ongoing research in cosmology, quantum mechanics, and complexity theory continues to explore these possibilities. The emergence of new tools, such as artificial intelligence and advanced simulations, may provide deeper insights into whether the universe truly behaves as a fractal. The fractal universe is more than just a thought experiment. It is a lens through which we can explore the mysteries of existence. Whether it is a metaphor or a literal description of reality, it challenges us to rethink the nature of complexity, infinity, and our place in the cosmos. If reality is indeed a fractal, then the universe is not just a collection of random events, but a beautifully ordered system governed by the timeless language of mathematics.